Household chores. Cleaning. He is cleaning the windows. She is dusting the furniture. She is scrubbing the bathtub. She needs to mop the kitchen floor. Remember to wipe down the countertops. He is sweeping the floor. She is vacuuming the carpet. We are tidying up our house. She is washing the dishes. He is organizing his books. We are emptying the trash. We are taking out the recycling. She is wiping down the table. He is cleaning the bathroom sink. He is sweeping the porch. Don't forget to clean the fridge. Laundry. She is folding the laundry. She is ironing the pants. She is sorting the clothes. I am putting away the clean laundry. We do the laundry on weekends. She is washing the clothes. She is hanging the wet clothes. Cooking and meal preparation. She is cooking dinner. She is preparing the breakfast. She sets the table for dinner. Remember to clean the table after dinner. She is making her lunch. She is putting away the groceries. She is washing the fruits and vegetables. Tidying up. She is making the bed. She is tidying up the living room. We need to pick up the toys. Remember to declutter the closet. Other chores. She is watering the plants. She is gardening. He is washing the car. We need to take out the trash. Remember to unload the dishwasher. Don't forget to sweep the kitchen floor. He is vacuuming the carpet. She is feeding the pet. She is checking the mailbox. He is taking the dog for a walk. He is helping with the chores. She is learning responsibility. I am learning to be organized. Thank you for watching.